1 Minute Dutch, Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Dutch from the Radiolingua Network.
We're here to teach you some Dutch, 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember what this means?
Sorry, dat begrijp ik niet.
It means, I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about this phrase?
Ik spreek een beetje Nederlands.
This means that you speak a little Dutch, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Dutch now. Today we're going to learn how to say, I'm learning Dutch. You would say,
Ik leer Nederlands.
let's hear that one again more slowly, please, Fons.
Ik leer Nederlands.
Try saying, I'm learning Dutch one more time after Fons.
Ik leer Nederlands.
Now, if you say that you're learning Dutch to someone, then you could add in the following phrase.
Ik vind dat moeilijk.
It means, I find it difficult, or it's quite difficult. Try saying this again after Fons.
Ik vind dat moeilijk.
One more time.
Ik vind dat moeilijk.
Let's try putting both of those phrases together. So you can say, I am learning Dutch. It's quite difficult, or I find it difficult.
Ik leer Nederlands. Ik vind dat moeilijk.
Try that one more time.
Ik leer Nederlands. Ik vind dat moeilijk. And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully you're not finding Dutch too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Dutch with this course enjoyable. You can find out how to get even more out of your Dutch experience by visiting our website at oneminute.languages.com. In the meantime, thanks for listening and come back next time to learn more Dutch with the Radiolingua Network.
Dankjewel en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.